What is up, future world changers and entrepreneurs and people that do things like that? Today we are going to be reviewing a product that might just change your world called the ProtoArc Xk01 full-sized folding keyboard. There's nothing else like this on the market currently. It's only available for pre-order, so let's hop into it. Alright, so as I said, this keyboard is a folding keyboard from the company named ProtoArc. We're going to be doing just a quick dive through of the keyboard. Just going to do a nice and easy review for you guys. We don't have to get into all the details because there are going to be links listed below this video if you're interested in finding more about this keyboard. It should be on pre-order until about October 10th. Not sure when this video drops, but let's hop right into the unboxing of this keyboard. So the first thing that you'll find inside of the box here is the folding keyboard itself, which we'll get to in a minute, but I just wanted to make a quick note. It does come in plastic wrap. I just decided to take that off for the purpose of this video. You'll also get a user manual, so you can get all the instructions you need to for the keyboard. And then also you'll get a pretty decently long USB-C to USB, I think A normal connector, which I would say is about 2 feet long, which is plenty of good distance to plug in your keyboard whenever you need to charge it up. As far as this keyboard goes, it's not like a plug-in type of keyboard for your computer. It's completely Bluetooth. So the first thing that you're going to notice is probably these 3 orange keys that you got right here. Like I said, it connects with Bluetooth only, and what that means is you can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices with this keyboard using each of the Bluetooth buttons, and basically what that allows you to do is switch between each device as you feel you need to, which is pretty cool. So you can say, I'm just using my phone for one thing with my keyboard for some reason. Honestly, who the heck uses a keyboard with their phone? I have no idea, but say you need to switch from that over to your iPad. So you switch over to that, and then now you want to go onto your desktop computer. Okay, well you can just press the 3rd Bluetooth button. So you can be connected up to 3 different devices at once with your Bluetooth folding keyboard. All things that you can just pack up into your backpack, including the keyboard itself, even though it's full size, because it just folds quickly away like that. And it's just an amazing form factor, honestly. Like, who would have thought you could fit an actual full-size keyboard like this into the size of like a small notebook, or like maybe 2/3 the size of like an iPad. As far as the keyboard build quality goes, I would say it's alright. It's got like a plastic outer shell, and then it's got some aluminum bits here and there. It also has some rubber feet on the bottom so it won't slide away. I would say as long as you're careful with it and put it in a safe place inside your backpack, it should be fine. Just avoid dropping it, as you should with most things in life, I feel like, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, and to wrap up this video with some final few details on this folding keyboard, firstly I'd like to give a quick shout out to the battery that comes on the back side of this thing. It is a 210 milliamp hour battery. I'm not sure if you can see it, but what that basically means is it lasts a very good amount of time. I've tried using the keyboard for a while and it hasn't died on me yet, which is always nice. And if you ever need to charge up the keyboard, it actually charges pretty quickly as well, so that's always nice. It's nothing crazy like fast charging your phone, but it's definitely a good battery. As far as the keys go on the keyboard itself, it's nothing too complicated and it's nothing too fancy at the same time. You basically have thin scissor switch keys, and as you can tell, they're not very loud. Kind of listen to that there. Pretty quiet, and basically what that means is they're good for working anywhere you want to, so you don't have to annoy other people, but they also sound kind of nice if you are in a quiet area. You'll still be able to hear them if that's what you're into. Overall though, they're very nice, basic typing, thin sort of, I guess you could say, like laptop keys, and there's nothing really wrong with them. I kind of like it, and for portable, lightweight, and to go, I feel like they're the perfect option for a keyboard like this. Alright, now it's the thing that everyone's been waiting for though. How much does this keyboard cost, or at least how much will it be costing while it is in pre-order? And the answer to that is, at least as of right now, while it's in pre-order up until October 10th, I know I'm speaking super fast, but the price is $60 for this full-size folding keyboard. And honestly, that is why we picked, oh, it's upside down. That's why we picked this keyboard for you guys, the World Changers brand and all that, the community here, because we think that this, our first product review, is honestly an amazing product and an amazing keyboard. $60 for a keyboard that there's nothing else like this on the market. I feel like that's a good deal simply because of the fact of its unique design. You do have to be a little bit careful with it, in my opinion, just because the design is more fragile and, in a sort of sense, unique and untested. But I think with all the features that you get, such as the scissor switch keys that are nice and quiet, the good battery, and other features that are similar to that, you are getting a really good deal for $60. You can get other sorts of keyboards that are thin and not nearly as compactable as this and aren't full-sized for maybe $30 to $40 or something like that, or even $50. And for $60 though, I feel like you're paying maybe $10 to $20 more for something that is likely worth $20 to $30 more. So if the features that you saw in this video are worth it to you, then they're definitely worth it in value on the price that you can buy it on ProtoArc's website, which should be in the description below. Now make sure to look out for more video reviews like this, and stick around to see our top list videos if this keyboard makes it onto our favorite products of the month or year or something like that. We'll see if we'll do products of the week, but for now, you guys just gotta let us know what you're thinking in the comments section, which is right below the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. If you guys are interested in any of those, make sure to hit them up too. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm Ethan, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then though, have a great day and change the world.